Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to start detailing the Forester. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so I decided to start doing some paint correction on the black Forester. I just did the right front guard, just to see how things would come up. Now, pretty much every single panel has a chip, a dent, a scratch, bird dropping, etching on it. So I decided to give it a go, and results are crazy. Now, I did stuff up a little bit, but still didn't get it out, so still would have been there anyways. So let's cut back to 6 hours ago when I started doing this. Alright, so I'm going to look at detailing this panel today. It's got everything, scratches, bird etching. So pretty rough, so we'll give it a clay bar first. So I use a clay cloth with some soapy water. I think I know what colour this black is called. So it's Subaru oil. Right, so it's pretty smooth. Got a couple of chips here and there. So I'm going to hit up with the buff with some 3D and a cutting pad. I'm going to see how we go. Start. Remember to always turn your PowerPoints on. Hard to do one hand. Couple passes. So I've gone from that to that. As you can see, got the scratches, to the bird poo. Now it's nice and smooth. So I'm going to give it a wet sand now. Alright, just got some water. It's 3000. So do a wet sand. To the 3000, 3000, sorry. I'm going to use some 2000 so you can get rid of bird etching. Right, done the best I can. See how it looks after a buff. Wow. Right, so I burnt through the paint. The bird poo did not come out though, so that's okay. There's a little bit here too. Look at that. I'm going to put some hydro protection on this now. Right, I'm going to let that sit for 5 to 10 minutes and I'll buff it off. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that short little episode. Over the weekend, I'm going to try to rectify this wobbling. I'm going to the fuel filter. I'm going to do some spark plugs. I'm going to try to get the GoPro under the car while I go for a drive. Hopefully it's not raining, so I can see different things while I'm driving. I'll hook up the GoPro to my phone so I can see it in action. See if it is that, and if I should just come back and swap location of the camera. Anyways guys, Hope you enjoyed the episode, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.